This is module 2 of the 3 months data processing of our physical class. This course is available online, so you can actually buy it on www.msaditsolution.com.ng. So this is module 2. The first module is introduction to computing. So the second module is Windows operating system. And we are teaching about Windows 11. Also in this course, we also introduce students to um, previous or previous version of Windows, like Windows 7, Windows 10, Windows 8, and also XP. But here in this course, it focuses on Windows 11 operating system. So what are the things? If you actually buy this course, like I said, you can buy this as standalone. For example, you have the knowledge of maybe Windows 10. You can actually want to, update and upgrade your knowledge by purchasing Windows operating system, Windows 11. So you can actually buy it together as a package, a suit, alongside a 3 month data processing as course, or you just buy it alone. It's available on our website. You can actually buy it alone, or you buy it alongside. So if you purchase 3 months, if you purchase 3 months data processing, is also part of it. You don't need to go and buy it as a single course, but you should look at what actually are you going to learn from this Windows operating system, Windows 11. We are going to introduce you what an operating system is about. Example of operating system, like you can see. We also talk about function of operating system. From there, we talk about classification of operating system. From there, we give you symbols, features, logos, representations of these different operating systems. Then from there, we talk about application of mouse on Windows 11. What are the functions that you can actually use mouse for? Keyboard functions, as you can see on the screen. We also move from keyboard functions. We give you the layout of the keyboard. You can see the pictorial representation of a keyboard. So we talk about input devices. What are input devices? What type of information or signal or data do they convey? Do they send? So from there, we give you the uses, the year of invention, primary equipment. You can see the input device, the image, the use, the primary equipment, and the year of invention. From there, we move on to booting. What's booting? We talk about types of booting. So, property of a window, the desktop, the taskbar. We also train you, we give you a pictorial representation of what it's about. The user account, the start menu for this is for Windows 10, and how to check your system information. Actually, if you want to pick up a system and there are some things you need to know. The features of the system, like the one on the screen now. You can see is a Microsoft Windows 11 Home Single Language. You can see that it's an S64 base, it's HP Pavilion 15 EG. You can see it's Core 7, Core i7, 16 gig RAM. So we teach you what are the things you actually need to look into when you want to buy a system. So from there, customizing your desktop, changing desktop background, arranging of desktop icons, how to hide your and unhide desktop icons, how to apply a screensaver to your system, time scheduler setting, how to apply auto hide taskbar, how to uninstalling of software or programs. If you have some software on your system you want to uninstall yourself, you don't need to go and take it to an engineer before they can remove it, or how you can even install yourself. How to update it yourself. Update checking. Is my system due for update? What's update package? When you update and some maybe devices are not working again, what are the next step for you to do to restore it to the previous point it was? So how to create a user account, for example, you want to create an account on your system for your children so that they don't access your file, how to password it. So those are part of the things that we teach in module 2. So you can see desktop customizing, renaming of folder, how to create a folder, system administration, how you administer your system. You create a folder maybe for movies, a folder for religious, for research, how to actually hierarchical arrangement of your folder. That we also teach that in this, how to delete a file or folder, and how to retrieve when you mistakenly delete a file or folder. How do you retrieve it? So we also teach you in this OS. Computer virus also will tell you the symptoms. If your system is contracted by a virus, you know, you look at what are the symptoms the system will continue to bring out. Then flash drive in their sizes, you can see from 4, 8, 16, 32 type of flash drive. And how to format a flash drive, also teach you on how to you can format your flash drive, how to rename a flash drive. If you buy a new flash drive, you want to rename it so that anywhere you take the system, you can easily identify it as okay, so Jane, Jackson, Sam, MSAT, you can actually rename it. It's possible. So we also teach you that and how to save into a flash drive. Some people, you have a work, you want to save. Mistakenly, you save elsewhere. So there's a way you can actually save to your flash, and you can even create different folders. How you can either by name or by categorizing it according to maybe movies, files, words, ebooks. You understand now? Online videos, you can actually create that on your flash. How you do that also is part of what we train in this module. So using on screen keyboard, actually if any part of your screen your keyboard is not working, how you can go about to get your on screen keyboard and start using it. We teach that also. So playing audio or video CD is also part of what we teach. So thank you very much. My name once again is Sam website Solutions Tech Hub, Ondo City, Nigeria. You can actually buy this course. You visit our hub physically for physical training, or you buy it online on our learning and teaching website www.emsadatitsolution.com.ng. Thank you very much. I want to see you guys to respond to this my video and tell us how we are going. So we really appreciate you. We love you. Bye bye.